The time clock that taught punctuality. In a small classroom near the window, there hung an old round clock with shiny black hands. It ticked softly all day and watched everything carefully. Most children rushed past it every morning, but one boy named Arav was always late. Just 5 more minutes, Arav said every day, and every day the clock ticked on. One morning, something strange happened. When Arav walked into class late again, the clock stopped ticking, the second hand froze. Suddenly, everything slowed down. The teacher's voice became quiet. The chalk moved slowly across the board. Arav looked at the clock in surprise. A tiny voice whispered, "Time waits for no one." Arav felt worried. He realized how many things he missed by being late. Morning prayers, fun games, and even smiles from his friends. "I'm sorry," Arav whispered. "I'll respect time." The clock started ticking again. Tick tock, tick tock. From that day on, Arav woke up early. He packed his bag on time and reached school before the bell rang. The clock smiled quietly on the wall, proud of him, and Arav learned something important. Moral of the story is: time is valuable, time is precious, and once it is gone, it never comes back. When we are punctual, we show respect for ourselves and for others. Using time wisely helps us learn more, enjoy more, and succeed in small and big things every day.